Hey friends, we are here to do a YouTube paycheck cash stuffing and I'm so excited. First of all, a humongous thank you to each and every one of you because without you, this would not be possible. So thank you so much. I appreciate you whether you watch my videos, you comment, you watch the ads, you are a member, you support my Etsy shop, my Amazon books, anything and everything. I am so thankful for you. And as I said, this stuffing would not even be possible without you guys. So just a huge thank you. All right, let me show you the money and tell you what we're gonna be doing today. Let's see. So the YouTube check, so it is, what day? Friday, November 22nd. This check is actually for October. I literally for a second question there was last month October. So this is for October. You get paid like a month behind, and the check was $238. So we're gonna do 38 to taxes, 110 to vacay, 70 to Christmas, and then $20 to the 1K challenge. And let's go, baby. I am very excited. As I said, it is Friday and we got our first snow of the season. My son actually has a snow day today, which he is super happy about. I am in my robe and yeah, I'm being cozy and I'm here for it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna put $38 into taxes and 20, 35, 6, 7, 8, 38. Now, all of this money that I'm using today is prop money because it is just going to go directly into my savings account. Because it's mostly, yeah, it is all long-term savings. So there's no need to have it out in real cash. So $38 to taxes. So let me go ahead and add that on my tracker. All right, and we are so close to being able to color in another poop, but not quite yet. So let's go ahead and add this money and see where we're at. All right, so in taxes, we now have 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 70, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 493. And I do need 800 by January 15th. And I am starting to get a little bit worried that I'm not gonna get there, but we will see. All right, so next, let's do the 1K challenge because that is really fast. And while I get that out, I'm going to tell you, I think I'm ready to reopen the Etsy shop. I think I have everything here that I need. So yay, the Etsy shop is going to be reopening for physical items. Now you're gonna see this tomorrow, Saturday. It might already be open. I might open it today if I get a chance. So if there's anything you've been wanting or anything like that, the shop is reopened. And yes, I will have a Black Friday sale. I haven't fully figured out what it's going to be yet, but it will be a Black Friday sale. So again, if there's anything you're looking to pick up, there will be a sale. I'll probably just put the sale on when I open. I'm not gonna wait till Black Friday. So there you go. Okay, so 1K challenge. Let's get the book out first. We're doing $20 to the 1K challenge. And this is my one of my savings challenge books. This is available on Amazon, linked below in my description, and my Amazon storefront. It has 25 challenges in it. And I have been working on this $1,000 challenge for what feels like 537 years. And we are just gonna put 20 bucks in here. $20 is $20, and it's gonna get us that much closer to finishing this. These clouds are 20, so we're just doing one cloud today. And we are getting near the end of finishing the clouds, so that is exciting. All right, so let's grab the envelope and add our 20. All right, so now in here we have 500, 20, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 600. Yay! $600. We are 400 bucks away. Yes, that is super exciting. All right, since we have this binder out, I guess let's go ahead and take care of Vacation as well. Now, Vacation is getting the bulk, $110, just because it's a priority for me right now. You all know, if you've been with me, I have a lot of stuff to save for in terms of Vacation. And so what I want to do is I want to finish out this one. And then we're going to start another challenge. So this challenge was from Danny over at Craft Co Budgets. It's double-sided. And I have $5, $10, $15, $20 to finish this. So I think I'm going to have to do a little exchange here. 20, 40, 60, 81. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the 20s out of the cash I already have in the envelope and swap it with this 100, same thing. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 20 to finish out this challenge. And then let me go ahead and color this really quick. All right, so we are done. Yay. So this here should be 175. 100, 20, 30, 45, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 175. So this is going to go into my Vacation sinking fund. I'm not going to stuff it now because I'm just not. I'll probably actually just stuff that off camera, I would guess, just so it's not in the way. Okay, but let's start a new challenge. So, you know I want to do all Christmas-themed challenges in the month of December, so we are going to start a Christmas challenge. This is from Lindsay over at Boy Mom Loves to Save, and I got this last year. It's Grandma Got Run Over by a Reindeer. It's a $100 challenge, and yeah, I wanted to do this one because it's one of the highest Christmas ones I have. And, you know, Vacation is a big goal for me. And so that's what we're doing. So let's see. 20, 40, 60, 85, $90 we have to put in here. And so I'm just going to put it on the calculator and subtract as I go so that I don't have to try to pull the cash. I would have to get smaller bills for that. All right, so 90 bucks. Oh, wait, 90 bucks. We could almost finish this. I don't think I want to just finish this in one go. So, okay. I think what I will do then is do a little bit on here and then pull another Christmas challenge and kind of do them together, because I don't think it's as fun just to do like a whole challenge in basically like one or two shots. I don't know, that's just not as fun to me. Okay, 8 plus 5. So I'm just gonna go ahead and subtract as I go here on the calculator. Minus 8. And this challenge is good because even though it's $100, which is a little bit of a larger challenge, the denominations are only 2 to 9. So I think that's pretty doable for sure. All right, $6 and $2, $7. Oh, what did I do? I definitely have more than $5 left. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 85. All right, so we had 90. Let me try that again. 90 minus 7, 8, 4, 2, 5. Okay, exactly 50. Maybe let's do it to 30 or 40. I don't know, you guys. I just kind of fly by the seat of my pants. If you watch my channel, you know this already. And a 4, 37. All right, let's do one more. So it's a 6. And then I'm gonna pull another challenge off of my pile here and see what else we could do. All right, so I grabbed this one, Where's My Ho 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 At? And this is from Sarah on a Budget. She did gift this to me last year. This is also a $100 challenge, and if you find the ho ho, you save 20 bucks. So I have $31 left. These are gonna be bigger numbers for sure, so I can pretty much almost guarantee I'm gonna have an IOU. So let's see. Starting off big with a 10. All right, can we find the ho-ho? Because that would be awesome and helpful. No. All right, so we have a 5. Watch, I'll find it now when I have less than $20. Let's go here. Okay, so a 10 and, oh, we do still have money. We have 16, so we're gonna have $6 left. I feel like I should go back to Lindsay's because that's gonna be a chance of a smaller IOU. So let's go, let's go here. Ooh, a 5. Okay, we're still going, you guys. We have $1. I know there are no ones on here, but maybe we could find another 2. No. Okay. So we have an IOU of 5. Now, where might I have some IOU slips is the question. Let me see. All right, so I grabbed this one, which is one of mine. Let me grab a marker here and write $5. And I grabbed this one specifically because the envelope for this is not clear. So when I don't have a clear envelope that I can see into to see the IOU, I like to do one of these that clips on, and I just touched it. Okay, so all together we are adding, what did I say, 110? Oh, actually it was 90 because I added 20 into that last challenge. So 90 bucks going in. We have 2 challenges going. And we are starting this envelope off empty once again, 20, 40, 60, 85, 90. So $90 to start it off, which is a wonderful amount. Let's clip on our IOU and boom, we are done. All right, let's check off our list here. We did taxes, we did vacay, we did 1K. So the last thing we have to do is $70 into Christmas. And so what I am doing is I am now starting the Christmas savings over again, which, so this money here is what I saved in all of 2024 for Christmas. There is still a bunch of money in there. I'm probably going to take most of that out for Black Friday to go shopping. But we are starting my new binder, Festive and Feisty. This is the 2K version. The $1,000 version is also available. These are in my shop. And again, my shop is back open, so you can grab these if you would like. And we're going to start it. So even though it's not even Christmas yet, it's not even December yet, I'm already starting to save for next year because, once again, it is a very large goal and basically I can't stop saving or I won't meet my goal. So I do have an envelope back here where we will be putting the money. And I don't know if I want to just do this in order or if I want to kind of jump around. I really don't know. I know that I need to do 2 of these challenges in January and 2 in February, or at least 2 in a month, and if that makes sense, to get this done by next October. So I think let's start here. We're putting 70. I know I have a couple catch-alls in here, like this one has some, let's see, Resting Grinch Face has a couple. So let's just kind of start and see, I guess, where we get to. Okay, so we're just gonna start here on Too Lit to Quit. This one's $166 now. Because this binder equals $2,000, essentially all the amounts on each challenge are doubled. from the 1K. So what's half of 166? I don't know, 80 something, 83. So the 1K challenge, this challenge would be $83 total. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, let's go here. Starting off big with 20 bucks. And again, the numbers in mine, just remember, are going to be large because it's $2,000. This is going to make a mess. All right, I'm going to have to use the calculator again. So 70 minus 20, so we're already down to 50 bucks. But once again, everything has to get done. So, all right, minus 6. Just going to go across the row, I guess. 18, ouchie. Let's see, 12. All right, we got $14 left. I guess let's go for it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Did you guys see what just happened? Let me reveal the evidence fully. Did we just do that? Like, yes, I made this. I made this so long ago already. I had no idea what numbers were under here, and that when that happens, it doesn't happen often, and when it does happen, it makes me feel like I should play the lottery. Because that is just crazy. All right, so we don't have an IOU. Yes. All right, I'm super, super happy about that. And look, we got like almost half of this card done already, which makes me really happy because once again, there are 2 months where I need to do 2 of these in order to have this done by October, which is my goal. So 70 bucks going in. I would say that was super successful because there's no IOU. All right, my friends, that is it for today. Once again, thank you so much for sticking around. As I said in my last video, I know my videos have been a little bit sparse. I will get back on schedule. I just kind of need to get my house in order, which I know is going to take a while. But I don't have, extras to stuff right now. So that's why kind of the lack of videos, but I do appreciate you sticking around. Look out for the Etsy shop opening. As I said, it may already be open. If you're interested in grabbing anything, there will be a sale. Thank you so much for all of your support. I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.